we'll be taking a closer look at polynomials, specifically vocabulary concerning polynomials, and then adding and subtracting polynomials. So a term is a product or a quotient of numbers and variables. And you can see we have term examples like 4x to the 6, which has a number and one variable with an exponent. Something like 7x cubed y squared has multiple variables. These are all terms. So a polynomial then is some sort of combination of terms being added and subtracted together. And the constant is a number or some sort of fixed value that does not have a variable. In this instance, our constant equals 3. Polynomials in mathematics should be written in what we call descending powers or descending order, meaning the exponent with the highest power comes first, and then the terms continue to decrease in exponential power from there. And the leading term is the first term of the entire expression once it's written in descending order. And then we have the leading coefficient. So down here we can see that the leading term is our x cubed, and the leading coefficient is the 7 there. Some of the polynomials we'll be looking at will be monomials, which have any combination of numbers and variables being multiplied together. A binomial, which has two terms, such as 4x plus 6, and a trinomial, which has 3 terms. So to simplify polynomials, we need to combine like terms. Here I have 2x plus 6x's. So if I have 2 of something and 6 of something, that would be 2 plus 6 or 8 of that something. In this case, our something is x. Similarly, I could look at combining something like 12x squared y squared plus 3x squared y minus 4x squared y squared. Now, notice which ones are like terms, meaning they have exactly the same variable and exponential combinations. In this case, only the 12 and the minus 4 were like terms. 12 minus 4 then would be 8 x squared y squareds plus 3x squared y. In adding like terms, then in adding polynomials, we are just going to look to add like terms. We have a 5x squared in the first polynomial and no other x squareds. Then I look for my next highest power, which are x's. I can see that I have a 7x and 4x here are both similar, so those will be added together to become 11x. And then a positive 3 and a minus 2. 3 minus 2 then will become 1. So my simplified polynomial is 5x squared plus 11x plus 1. Now, when we are subtracting polynomials, we need to make sure that we distribute that negative. So here you can see that I am subtracting 6y squared minus 3y plus 1 from 8y squared plus 5y minus 2. So this subtraction sign has been distributed and changed. Then you can think of this as being as adding two polynomial expressions. Now we look to combine like terms. So I look for my y squared terms, which is 8y squared minus 6y squared. Then I look for my y terms, plus 5y plus 3y, and then my constants, negative 2 and negative 1, to come with an answer of 2y squared plus 8y minus 3 when I simplify that.